Good morning students. In the first part of today's English video, we have learned the names of the pictures that start with letter I. And now in this part we are going to write letter I. So what you need to do, first of all, you will take out your English workbook and then you will open it. So let's just open. So this is letter I in page number 12. Okay? And see which picture is this. This is your most favorite thing here. Ice cream. Ice cream. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Before writing, first of all, we will put date. Okay? So first of all, take your pencil and write down date on the top. What is the date today? Today is 1. Then you will make a hyphen. Then you will write 6, number 6. Again a hyphen and then 2, 0, 2, 0. This way you will write the date. 1, 6, 2, 0, 2, 0. Okay? Let us write the letter I. Let us write the letter I. Which letter we are going to write? We are going to write letter I. Okay? Before writing, I am going to tell you that how you can write letter I. See, I have a white plain paper and I have a crayon. So, you know what? I am just going to make a standing line. I am not going to write anything. Okay? So, first of all, I am going to make a standing line. I took my crayon. I just keep it and then I made a standing line. Okay, I'm not writing anything. I've just made a standing line. Okay, now I'm gonna make a sleeping line, but sleeping line must be joined with the standing line. Okay, so this is my sleeping line. Oh, this is letter T. Now I'm gonna make one more sleeping line. From where? From this point. Okay, it should be joined with this. Oh, this is letter I. This is too easy to write letter I, isn't it? First of all, make a standing line, then make a sleeping line, then make one more sleeping line, and it will be letter I. What are these? These are the earbuds. Now I'm gonna make a letter I with these 3 earbuds. Okay? How? Look. First of all, I'll make a standing line. This is standing line, no? Then I will make a sleeping line like this. And then I will make one more sleeping line. This is letter I. Letter I. You can also make letter I with the help of your crayons, with the help of your pencils. Okay? So, make letter I. Okay? Now, we will write letter I in the English workbook. Okay? So, first of all, you will trace this letter I. Okay? So first of all, trace your standing line. Okay. Then your sleeping line. Then one more sleeping line. But do one more thing. Write down HW here because this is your homework. Write down H dot W dot. Okay. Good. Now trace this one. First of all, make a standing line, then trace your sleeping line and trace your this sleeping line. Trace your standing line, okay? Then trace your sleeping line, trace your this sleeping line as well. Right? So, trace and make letter I in these 2 lines, okay? What you need to do? You will just trace to make letter I in these 2 lines. Okay? How many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Why there are 4 dots? I don't know. Let's just see. Just match these dots, okay? Match this dot and match this dot. And then make a standing line from the center of the top, okay? OMG, this is this letter I. How you will make? First of all, you will join the 2 dots, okay? Then you will join these 2 dots. Then you will make a standing line from the center of the upper line, okay? Again, first of all, join these 2 dots. Then these 2 dots will also be joined. Then you will make a standing line like this, okay? So in these 2 lines, you will join the dots and you will write letter I, okay? Moving towards the last 2 lines, in which you will write the whole letter I. How? Make a standing line, then sleeping line, one more sleeping line. Either this way or the another way is, first of all make sleeping line, okay, then make one more sleeping line and then make a standing line. This is the another way to make letter I. Prefer whatever you like. Standing line, sorry, sleeping line, one more sleeping line and then standing line. Remember one thing, that you will write letter I in only 1, 2, 3 line, okay? You will write letter I in only 1, 2, 3 line, not on this line. Got it? Okay. So, trace these 2 lines, okay, to write letter I, and then join dot and write letter I, and in these 2 lines you will write letter I, okay? Now we are moving towards our English notebook. So students, open your English notebook, okay, your 4-line notebook, and first of all write down date. As today is 1, so write down 1, then hyphen. Now write number 6, again a hyphen, then 2, 0, 2, 0, okay? This way you will write the date. After writing date, write down HW on the top, H dot W dot, okay? Now we will write letter I. So how we are going to write letter I? First of all, we will make a standing line, then we will make a sleeping line, one more sleeping line, okay? Either this way or the another way is to write letter I is make sleeping line, one more sleeping line and then one standing line, okay? See the sleeping line, okay, one more sleeping line and then standing line. Letter I. I for ice cream, I for ink pot, I for igloo, I for iron. So how many I have written on one row? 1 I, 2 I, 3 I. So you will also write only 1, 2, 3 I on a line, okay? Parents, you can do one thing, that you can write these 3 I by yourself, okay? So parents, अगर आप चाहें तो first line आप खुद से लिख सकते हैं, then your word will copy, okay? So students, write letter I in the whole page, okay? Whole page of the notebook as well as whole page of the workbook, okay? Meet you in the next video. Good day.